Ladies and gentlemen, dame in gospodje, pričenjamo z prvim finalom današnjega dne. Prvo finale je zračna pištola mladinci, Air Pistol Junior Men. Athletes to the line. Please welcome our athletes.
Ho, 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 bring a bottle of rum. Ho, 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 cream and whiskey bourbon. Ho, 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 bring a bottle of booze. We got nothing to lose. Ho, 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 bring a friend if you please. Ho, 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 Santa's open to me. Ho, 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 all the misfits and us. I hope the misfits show up. Ho, ho, ho. It don't get better than this. In the land of misfits. We're all losing our lids. We got nothing but this. Come be our family. This is Christmas, baby. Bring a friend if you please. Bring them all to their knees. Ho, 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 bring a bottle of rum. Ho, 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 cream and whiskey bourbon.
5 minutes preparation and sighting time. Start.
Nothing to lose. Ho, 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 bring a friend if you please. Ho, 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 Santa's open to me. Ho, 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 all the misfits and us. I hope the misfits show up. Ho, 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 it don't get better than this. In the land of misfits. We're all losing our lids. We got nothing but this. Come be our family. This is Christmas, baby. Bring a friend if you please. Bring them all to their knees. It don't get better than this. In the land of misfits. We're all losing our lids. We got nothing but this. Come be our family. This is Christmas, baby. Bring a friend if you please. Bring them all to their knees.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like.
Thirty seconds.
Limited till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like.
Stop, unload, please lay down your pistols and turn to face spectators. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the best 8 in Air Pistol Junior Men qualification. Na strelskem mestu 1 prihaja iz Hrvaške Butković Borna. Borna je osvojil drugo mesto v kvalifikacijah z 559 krogi. Na strelskem mestu B iz Slovenije Kecel Matija. Matija je osvojil tretje mesto z 555 krogi. Na strelskem mestu C iz Hrvaške Ogorelec Borna. Borna se je kot 8. uvrstil v to finale za 534 krogi. Na strelskem mestu D iz Hrvaške Špirelja Luka. Na strelskem mestu E iz Slovenije Slak Amadej. Na strelskem mestu F prihaja iz Bolgarije Makajev Svetoslav. Na strelskem mestu G iz Slovenije Perhavec Žan. In na strelskem mestu H iz Slovenije Lukeš Timon. Jury member in charge for this final is Antun Sudar from Croatia. Take your positions. For the first competition series, load, start, So, after first series of 5 shots, we have leader Slak Amadej from Slovenia. He leads with 47.7 points. On second place is from Bulgaria, Makhaev Svetoslav with 0.5 behind. Third place is Budko with 0.7 behind second. Then Ogorelts, Kitzer, Virelia, Perhavec and Lukesh. For the next competition series, load, start. Stop. And we had first 10.9 in this final. Firing position C. Ogorelts Bornash at 10.9. One applause please. It was first 10.9 of the final. And we have change in the lead. Now the leader is Makhaev from Bulgaria. 3.2 points behind is Ogorelts from Croatia. Then third place Perhavec from Slovenia, 0.2 behind second. And we'll continue with single shots. For the next competition shot, load, start.
My soul is painted like the wind.
And after first single shot, Makayev is still in the lead. Second place in the same score is Ogorelts and Perhavets. Seventh Ketzel and 8th Spirelia. Difference between them is 0.2, and the next shot will decide 8th place. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. And 8th place goes to Spirelia Luka from Croatia. Congratulations. Makayev is in the lead, 3.7 behind is Ogorelts, then Perhavets, Butkovic, Slak, Lukesh and Ketzel. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. Shot number 13 was very good for Makayev. He shot 10.4 and he's in the lead, 4 points in front of Ogorelts in second place. 7th place is Slak, 6th place is Ketzel. Between them is only 0.3. And also Lukesh is close by 0.4 in front of Slak on 7th place. Next shot decides 7th place. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. And 7th place goes to Ketzel Matija from Slovenia. Makayev is in the lead. He leads now 4.6 in front of Ogorelts on second place. Third place Burtkovic is only 0.1 behind second. Then Perhavets, Lukesh and Slak. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. Makayev is still in the lead, he leads 4.1. Perhavets third place is 0.1 behind second Ogorelts. Then Butkovic, Lukesh and Slak. Slak is 0.7 behind Lukesh and he must have a good shot to stay in this final. For the next competition shot, load. Start.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, not a follower. Fit the box, fit the mold, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Stop. And 6th place goes to Lukesh Timon from Slovenia. Congratulations, Timon. Makaev leads. Second place Ogoreus, then Butkovic, Perhavec and Slak. For the next competition shot, load. Start.
Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds.
Top. Ogoreus is on the mood. He shot the best shot of this series. He shot 10.4 and now he's 2.9 behind Makaev on the first place. Slak is 5th, Perhavec is 4th and 0.6 between them. For the next competition shot, load. Start.
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning.
Stop. 5th place goes to Perhavec Jan from Slovenia. Congratulations. Makaev is still in the lead. He enlarged his lead to 3.6 points in front of Ogoreus on second place, then Butkovic and Slak. This will be shot number 19. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. Butkovic Borna shot 10.0 in this series, the best shot of Syria. One applause for the best shot in series, please. Makaev in the lead, Ogoreus second place, Butkovic third, Amadei Slak on fourth place. Between them is 2.1. Next shot will decide the medal winners and who will take fourth place. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. And the fourth place after last shot goes to Ogoreus Borna from Croatia. Congratulations. Slak shot a really good shot and stayed in this final, so he's now third. Second place is Butkovic and first place is Makaev. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Makaev is still in the move. He leads 5.3 points in front of Butkovic on second place. Third place, Slak is only 0.9 behind second. And the next shot will decide bronze medal winner. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. He shot 10.8, but it was not enough for more than third place and bronze medal. Slak Amadej from Slovenia, congratulations. And now we have the best two in this final. Makayev in the lead, Butkovic on the second place. Two more shots to go. For the next competition shot, load. Start. Stop. Makayev shoots really good. He shot 10.1 again. He picked 5.7 in front of Butkovic on second place. One more shot to go. For the next competition shot, low. Start. Stop. Result of final. First place goes to Makayev Svetoslav from Bulgaria. Second place goes to Butkovic Borna from Croatia. And third place goes to Slak Amadej from Slovenia. Congratulations. Okay, picture machen. Marko, slikaj. One more applause for medal winners in this final. Come on, smile, gentlemen, you won medals.